Alright, we have a Stairlift model Acorn 120. It's been sitting in a battery charger for 4 years, and it was installed in 2013, and it's 2019 now, so it's been about 7 years, not operational. There's 2 batteries in the back. They're shot. They're 12 volts each, and they're set in series. And I bought this unit without the key, and we've been trying to play with it for hours and days, and finally everything's working now. I have 2 12-volt batteries there. They're connected in series, and they're clipped there and clipped there. So I'm getting 24 volts to the motor. I had multiple error codes. E9 means I have no key, which I don't, and so you can see I bypassed the key with a simple wire, that black wire. And then for whatever reason, this micro switch here was broken, and so I just bypassed the micro switch. Basically, when it normally works, these 2 green wires, they're ground. They need to be connected together, and if this plate touches something, this switch will separate the 2 green wires. But right now I made it so they're connected, so the other side's micro switch does work. I think the story of this thing was moved to get a hardwood floor in, so somehow it banged against something and broke that micro switch. And then we also had a lot of gunky grease and lots of things we had to take out and remove and clean the tracks. And there was like a metal butterfly and a cap and pennies and just tons of things in here, so we have to clean out to get it working. We got WD-40 in there, and we'll probably put some lithium grease on there later. You can see all that track is somewhat clean now. So anyways, this is the remote control to it, and inside here is a 9-volt battery, and so let's see if it can work. So we're going to turn on the 24 volts right now, and then we're going to turn on this. So you get a code for A1. A1 means that it's not sitting in that track. A1 means that it's not sitting in that track right there to be charged against the wall. So that's what it means. So let me hold on to this thing here. So you notice the chair is sitting there, and I'm going to hit the up button. And there it goes. It goes up. Then I'm going to go down. And it's sliding down. Good. So it works. And all right, thanks for watching.